Check it out, fellas. Look at this classic Rokon Trailbreaker 140. This is the Trail 140. It's a sportier of the two versions, a little bit lighter, has the cast mag wheels on it. And just take a look at these tires, man. Massive Kenda bear claws. They're brand new. You zoom in on the hairy, you can see the hairy nubs there still. This is a full, complete frame-up restoration. It's got a new paint taken right down to the frame. The frame was repainted. Brand new tires. The wheels and wheel bearings were restored. All the upholstery is new on it. It's a 3-passenger, maybe 4. You can fit at least 2 kids on the back here, and maybe one in the middle here too. It's pretty much bulletproof. It's about as American-made of a motorcycle as you could possibly find. These are still currently made in New Hampshire, and they have been for, I think, about 60 years now. They haven't changed much. They look just like this. A very simple design. They're bulletproof. They're designed for outdoorsmen, hunters, farming. You know, if you want to go out and blaze trails where there are none, this is the go anywhere machine. With those big gnarly bear claw knobbies, it'll go pretty much anywhere. Heavy duty steel fenders. It's got a new paint job on it, new graphics, new grips, all new cables, new levers, new brakes. Everything's been redone on the bike. It's basically a brand new, remanufactured motorcycle from the ground up, and it's in absolutely pristine museum quality condition. And I say that literally. It's been on display in the New England Motorcycle Museum on the 2nd floor over there for the last, actually 3rd floor, for the last about 5 years. So it's coming up for sale. We got a few other Rokons, including the street legal one over there, and a couple of the 2-wheel drive ones coming up for sale. So if you're looking for a classic Rokon or a collection of Rokons, we've got a few of them coming up for sale. If you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024. We can ship it anywhere in the United States. Financing is available if you want to finance it through Freedom Road Financing. You can see it has a new mud flap on it, new belts. Everything's brand new. It's a 140cc 2-cycle engine, which means it's going to be super easy to service if you ever need to. The engine's been completely rebuilt too. New piston rings, new gaskets, new seals. It's, like I said, it's a remanufactured motorcycle. It's a little over 50 years old, and it looks brand new. You'd be hard pressed to find a nicer one for sale anywhere. And the new ones go from $8,000 to $13,000. They've gone up in price quite a bit. These are classic collector's items. It's being sold as a basically rideable artwork. It's a rideable antique. It basically, like I said, it doesn't look outdated because the new ones look just like it. You can see it has new chain and sprockets too, and you know, everything looks brand new on it, man. Suspension, seat. So if you're looking for a classic Rokon that will only go up in value and won't break the bank, give us a call. Your ship just came in. Nice in the back of the pickup truck too.